Hi, I'm Kim.
And I'm Elaine.
And we're from Creative Spaces. This is our second video for our YouTube channel. So this unit is a 97 square meter unit with 2 bedrooms. It also has its own maid's room with its own utility area and CR. For this project, we wanted to go with a modern luxe feel since the space is very big and there's enough space to add some dash of art there.
My reaction was, wow, I didn't know it could look this good. You know, we're looking at other similar units for rent on the internet, and we both agreed, hey, you know, none of them look as good as this. You can just imagine our reaction when we came here for the first time together last Sunday. We were very, very pleased.
So since this is a rental unit, the client decided to keep the counters and the cabinets because it looks good already. So we just actually added the lights under the overhead cabinets. So we are here in the dining area. This is actually the first thing you'll see when you get inside the unit. That's why we added this statement piece here. This lighting fixture is made of brass and glass. We made use of glass element, mirrors, to achieve that polished and clean look. Just remember that glass and mirror finish with brass trimmings, these are the elements that you might want to add to achieve that modern luxe feel. When combining different pieces together, it's important to look at tiny details. And we used black for the dinnerware. We added a touch of gold. For the whole unit, we still use the same element, like the glass table, the brass trimmings, but we added velvet fabric to give that more nakakayaman feel. We kept this wall white and just added a simple black artwork. So we found this perfect entertainment cabinet that really goes well with the overall look of the unit. For this balcony, the client requested a seating area for the future tenants to enjoy the view outside. And the good thing about this unit actually is we purchase everything at a discounted price. Most of the people have this misconception that designers are expensive, but actually we help you save cost.
Here in the master's bedroom, the bed and the side tables were already provided. So it was a matter of working around the existing furnitures. For the cabinet handles, we also changed them to gold finish to match the whole motif of the unit. We added wallpaper finish on both sides of the room. If you look closer, we used this gray linen textured finish for the wallpaper, and it gave this cozy hotel look that we wanted to achieve. We also provided this gold accent piece for the master's bedroom to give it this real luxe feeling. For our entertainment cabinets here, we chose a plain white finish with an accent of gray. We chose plain because a lot of things were already happening here on this side. For the mirror, we had this customized full body mirrors. We used blackout curtains because, of course, when you're sleeping, you want to be cozy, and when you want to sleep in the middle of the day, if you close it, it's dark. For this bedroom, everything that we purchased is new, so we were able to match the motif of the dining and the living room. So you'll see our black pieces and then partnered with the gold accents. For the gold accents, we used the gold mirror and this gold lampshade. We also changed the handles of our cabinets to gold, like we did in the master's bedroom. And then for a touch of color, we purchased this wall frames as well as this throw pillow and chair. We really like this vanity table that we bought because of this scallop detail. I feel like it really added to the luxe effect of the whole unit. Additional storage, we purchased this entertainment table and added shelves above the TV.
I really like the approach where I was given a list of estimates, and I think it's wonderful that the ID passes that savings on to us, and it's very transparent. So that for me was the best experience of all.
If you love this video, please hit like and subscribe.